All right, everybody, welcome to the farm for this next unit. This is an independent station for students. They can play with the blocks and build a farm. They've got vocabulary words here. I can build a farm and all the scaffolding and reflection questions along with the lesson plans. And there's animals, there's tractors, there's magnetic blocks, and of course a barn. And then there is books for those who want to read. The second station is teacher-led. This is Mrs. Wishy-Washy. And if you haven't done this story in your class, there's an iPad here. They can watch the story. And we have the vocabulary words again, the I can statement, lesson plans, reflection questions, and scaffolding questions for during. And then costumes for the animals, costumes for Mrs. or Mr. Wishy-Washy, and some masks as well, different kinds you can use. And of course, then the wash tub, so they can retell the story by acting it out. And there are two sets of teacher reflection questions and scaffolding questions there. I'll get clipboards for those so that you all can use them. And then over here is our next station. This is teacher-led. This is kind of a farmhouse, and basically we've got kitchen stuff and things that the kids can play with. And over here we have the lesson plans, all the information that you need. We have a farmer's market stand. And then here are the vegetables and fruits that all the kids have made. The students made these in their classes to prepare and help get this ready. So they can pick all the fruits and vegetables off of the trees and the flowers as well. And they have baskets for each of those that they can do. They can also plant things. There's just a lot of different things you can do in this station. So that is a teacher-led. And then this last one is kind of semi-teacher-led. You can kind of go between the two. This one is more the animals part of the farm, and you can talk about what farmers do during their day, and they can take inventory of how many animals there are. They can count. Got the roll tags over there so that they can decide who they would like to be. And of course, all the animals are made by the students as well in preparation for this. They did a fabulous job. I'm really proud of them. And we have extra cows and goats, which are important because they're going to be building pens for the cows and the goats. So there are some play sticks here, and then some red brick blocks that they can use. There's slop for the pigs and grain for the chickens. There's extra hay, there's hay bales, and so of course also the lesson plans as well, and vocabulary, all that extra good stuff. They can also collect eggs from the chickens and see which chickens have hatched and which have not yet. And then we have our sheep pen right here. Beautiful sheep that they've made as well. And then over here we have our pig pen. So there's dirt and a pile of dirt and wheelbarrow and shovel that they can shovel the dirt up for the pigs so that they can have mud. And the dirt is great. They can, especially sped, if you have fine motor skills, that's great. They can crunch it up and put it in the dirt pile. So that is just about everything. One thing I forgot, there will be a garden back here coming in a couple weeks as well. That'll have the carrots and potatoes in it, so you can talk about above ground and below ground food. And there will be some seed sorting as well that can be done, and a clothesline that you can match some letters. And there will also be an animal report page where they can check off who's been fed and watered for the different animals. So I hope you have lots of fun. It should be a blast.